Hey crafty people, here's another design team project for ASC Supplies on Etsy. And I'm going to show you right now where I messed up. I can't believe it. I just saw it. I forgot to color the little stars on her face. Ta-da! Okay, there's your coloring tutorial. Just kidding. So I forgot to mention on my last video that all my cards are for sale on eBay. Links in the description box down below. So if you're interested in any of these cards, check them out. If they're still there, then they're for sale. If they're not, they're already gone. Super cute little Tilda. Oh my god, she's so adorable. And I decided to leave her white because to me it almost looked like there was a spotlight on her. And so if I left it crisp and clean, she was the focal point of this card. Even though there's lots of lace and layering and distressing and little hearts and this beautiful cupcake wrapper. Yes, this is a cupcake wrapper. All the sentiments, everything, all the paper is from this collection. This is a Stamperia collection from ASC Supplies on Etsy, and I promise you, you're not going to find your Stamperia paper cheaper anywhere. Yeah, so check it out. She pops up on that pretty trim, and that's my first card. Everybody inevitably always asks me about this background die. It's a Spellbinders die. It's retired. It's no longer available. So that's card number 1. Number 2, this is also a Spellbinders die. This background die, I don't know what it's called, but it's the Grand Caliber dies, so you can look up the Grand Caliber dies. And this is a brand new Spellbinders die that I recently got at Hobby Lobby. And what I did with this one is I die cut this piece, and then I used the same die on the paper where I had colored my Tilda so that I could set it right in where those little swirly doos are. And in this collection there's a lot of pink and blue, but on this particular card I chose to use just the pink colors. This other one over here, as you can see, I used blue at the top and blue at the bottom, and as well as mixing in the pink. So I did a seam binding bow, beautiful. This is actually a button, and that is a sentiment area. And these are brand new Tildas. They just came out. I just received them a few days ago. Excuse me. I have to make a little alteration on this card before I show it to you. So here is my next card, and this one I fussy cut the little Tilda out. Isn't she adorable? Dreams do come true. And then I used some flowers from, these are Hobby Lobby flowers. These are Magnolia dies. And then these butterflies, this is so funny. I had somebody that purchased my altered bubblegum machine, and these butterflies were inside the bubblegum machine, but the bubblegum machine broke, and I salvaged everything that was inside, and these 2 butterflies came from that. And then we have this cupcake wrapper. Beautiful, beautiful. Just go to eBay or Etsy and enter cupcake wrappers, and you'll find some really, really beautiful die cut wrappers. This is the last card of this collection, and this also has butterflies. These are more like cream colored, and I kind of layered them down like that because my cluster goes this way. These, I don't know where these came from. These might be Spellbinders. I'm not sure. But these flowers are Hobby Lobby. That's just one of the butterflies I cut off of here. And then that Spellbinders die around my cutie pie little Tilda image. And a seam binding bow. She pops up like that. And that is my final card of this collection. Guys, I am like super in Magnolia mode. I had really gotten out of Magnolia mode, but so much so, I showed it in the last video, but I colored all the skin on all of these Tildas, and I'm going to color hair tonight. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you will head over to ASC Supplies on Etsy. I'm going to tell you one more, that you can't find your Stamperia paper any cheaper. And they have a ton of other scrapbooking supplies. So check them out. Thanks for watching. Happy Scrappy Day. And if you're interested in these cards, check out my link just in the description box down below on eBay. My cards I sell on eBay. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.